Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades here. We're going to be talking about what happened today, the huge drop we saw in SPY and the rest of the markets and the rest of the stocks, and what are we expecting tomorrow? Are we expecting a bounce or are we expecting a continuation of this sell-off? All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm AB Trades and I teach people how to day trade options. I do my best, and my YouTube channel is full of free content on strategies, tutorial videos, and options 101. So please take a look at that if you can. And if you do like this content, please subscribe and turn on those alerts so you get notified every single time I release a video. All right, moving on here. So today in SPY, we saw that huge sell-off. The Sunday Stock Talk I was mentioning, okay, we're going to look for a little bit of a bounce here at this trend line. Well, what happened? We actually opened below this trend line here, showing that, hey, we're not actually going to even test the support. We're just going to go straight through it. So that was our first sign of super strong weakness in the market. So you can see here that the daily chart does not show pre-market and aftermarket activity here. So if we go into the 15-minute, we can get a better look at what happened and what is currently happening. So if you can see here, this is today. This was Friday. So looking at Friday, you can see here that it started moving down. We kind of closed below this trend line. We're kind of moving back down to this trend line. We saw a little bit of this movement down on Sunday, so I knew that we'd be retesting this trend line. Well, /ES, or the S&P 500 futures, actually tested this trend line and fell through it first thing in the morning. So we saw that break of trend line, and when I saw that break of trend line, I said, hey guys, in the group chat, which is the first link below, we're going to be seeing a red day. We're going to be looking for this red day today, and that's what we got. We got this not super fast, not super crazy, but just that consistent falling in the market. It just consistently started to sell off and sell off. So if you liked that I alerted that, and if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm out so other people can also see this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Anyways, moving on. You can see here that even during aftermarket so far, we've actually been seeing this move down further and further. This is not a good sign, but however, we are seeing that we did bounce here at the exact level of 278, which is a whole number support, which is very good because we do have support coming into play here at this double solid line. If we go out here on the 2-year 1 day, you can see that we're looking at this 280 to 282 level to act as our support here. That's where we've had support in the past, and that's where we will see it again. So if we're looking at this at a long-term phase, if we look at 2018, we had this nice super big push up. We had a sell-off, a slow descent up, sell-off, a pretty fast descent up, and now our lows are starting to our highs are starting not to be as high, which is a sign of weakness. We're breaking through this trend line. What's so major and what led to the major sell-off, again, in my opinion, of this sell-off in SPY was that we had this trend line, this super strong trend line that's been holding throughout 2019, right? We have the low, and this low, right? That was a super strong trend line of 2019. Well, that trend line of 2019 broke. So trend traders, people who invest their money when a stock trends, are now taking their money out. People who are seeing this sell-off, taking their money out. People are hearing about trade wars, taking their money out. People who are losing money because they're investing for the first time, taking their money out. You have to understand the psychology of trading and everything that's happening around you. We had a lot happening today, and that's why I said in the group chat we should be expecting a red day. We got that red day, but now we don't really care what happened, even though it did. We want to know how will we react tomorrow. So looking at reactions tomorrow, we're going to be looking for that bounce here at 280. What's going to happen is our 280.50 level right here will be our line in the sand, what is known as we will bounce here or we will fail here. If we fail here tomorrow, expect a return down to 275, maybe even 270. Okay, guys, so if it breaks 280, watch for the next support to be 275 or 270. If we bounce at 280, or 280.5, if we bounce here, look for it to come up and test 290 first and then 295. Again, when it bounces, it probably won't bounce as strong, so you'd be looking for it to bounce to around 290, and if it gets to 290, then we'll be looking at 295. I cannot say if we're going to bounce or fail right now. It's looking like we're going to actually be setting up for a 10% continuation play, right? We close on the bottom portion of the range. We're already starting to sell off. The only reason why I'm not going to guarantee it or say that it's happened, because nothing always happens the way you want it in a stock market. And second, we are approaching this super strong support. So whatever happens with this support, if we're teetering with this support in the morning, I would say we're looking for that sell-off. If we're below this support in the morning, we'll be looking at that sell-off. If we actually start to see a bit of support start to be played up and we get around to this 281 area, then I would say we're going to be looking for a green day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see my notes for tomorrow, please click that link below and join our free Discord group. All right, guys, see you tomorrow where we talk about how to swing trade.